Did you know that there are 500 species of shark in our oceans? And it's estimated that 90% of these haven't even been discovered yet. It is believed that we'll find more shark species in the deep sea than we already have on land. Sharks are one of the most diverse groups of animals out there, with hundreds of different types swimming in our oceans. And while some are very well known, like the great white, others are very obscure and rarely seen. Today, we are going to take a look at some of the lesser known shark species. And hopefully by the end of this video you'll learn about a shark or two that you've never heard of before. Cookie cutter shark. This is one of the smaller species of shark and reaches a maximum length of only around 1 meter. The cookie cutter shark has a fairly distinctive name and also appearance. Its body shape is quite odd and resembles a dumbbell more than a traditional shark. The shark gets its name from its unusual feeding habits. It takes bites out of its prey, creating perfectly round wounds which look like cookies cut out of bread. These sharks mostly feed on other fish, but will attack humans if they feel threatened. The cookie cutter shark is known to be quite territorial and aggressive, and despite its small size can inflict a nasty bite. In the wild, the shark's natural predators are larger fish such as tuna and dolphins. However, the cookie cutter shark is not usually targeted by humans and is rarely eaten. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is a relatively large shark growing up to around 3 meters long. However, this species doesn't gain much in width and so remains relatively slim. The shark has a very distinct appearance which many people would describe as ugly. It has a pointed nose and a protruding lower jaw. These features make it look similar to a demonic creature and is perhaps why it was given the name goblin. The goblin shark is mainly found in deeper waters and so isn't often seen by humans. It's actually the largest of the 6 known species of cookie cutter shark. Despite this, it's still fairly small and not considered dangerous to humans. The shark is able to extend its jaws forward to catch prey, which can include fish and squid. It uses a suction feeding technique to devour its meals. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is one of the strangest looking sharks and can grow to around 1.5 meters in length. It has a very strange flattened head and elongated body. This, along with its multiple fins, gives the shark a very bizarre appearance. Frilled sharks are extremely slow-moving creatures and aren't known to be very active hunters. Instead, they wait for food to pass close by and then use their gill rakers to filter it out. These tiny barbs on their gills work like a screen which allows them to filter out plankton and small fish. Most of the time, the frilled shark is a very elusive creature and generally keeps itself hidden. It prefers to live in deeper waters, and although it's not particularly rare, it's just not often seen. In recent years, there have been several videos taken of frilled sharks being caught by deep-sea fishermen. These sharks are sometimes kept as pets by enthusiasts, but this is quite difficult because they require very cold water. Whale shark. As the name suggests, the whale shark is one of the largest species of shark and can reach lengths of up to 12 meters. It's actually the largest living fish in the world. Despite its enormous size, the whale shark is a filter feeder and doesn't pose any threat to humans. It feeds on plankton and small fish and is not known to be aggressive. This makes the whale shark a very unique and fascinating creature. Whale sharks have a distinctive pattern of white spots and stripes which are similar to fingerprints. Each shark has a unique pattern, and this can be used to identify it. The whale shark is found in all of the world's oceans and is a truly majestic sight to see. Portuguese shark. The Portuguese shark is also known as the picked dogfish and grows to around 1.5 meters long. It is found in the coastal waters of the eastern Atlantic Ocean and is often caught as a bycatch of the fishing industry. The Portuguese shark has a very distinct appearance with a long pointed snout and large eyes. It has small scales which give its skin a sandpaper-like texture. The Portuguese shark is a carnivorous species and feeds mainly on crustaceans and fish. It's also known to scavenge dead animals. Although it's not particularly large, the Portuguese shark is sometimes seen as a threat to humans. There have been several attacks recorded, but these are very rare. The shark is capable of delivering a nasty bite, which can cause severe bleeding. It's not known to target humans specifically, but may attack if provoked or feels threatened. Katydid shark. The katydid shark is another shark which has an unusual appearance. It has a very flat head and a narrow body, which makes it look somewhat comical. It's a relatively small shark, reaching a maximum length of only around 75 centimeters. The katydid shark is mainly found in the coastal waters of Australia and New Zealand. It's a nocturnal species and is rarely seen during the day. The katydid shark is a carnivorous species and feeds mainly on crustaceans and mollusks. It also eats fish and is sometimes known to scavenge dead animals. This shark is not considered to be dangerous to humans, and there are no recorded attacks. It's possible that it could bite if provoked, but this is very unlikely. Saw shark. Saw sharks are named after their long flat noses, which resemble a saw more than anything else. They have a distinctive appearance and are easily identified by this feature alone. There are several species of saw shark, and they vary in size. The largest species can grow up to 8 meters in length. Saw sharks are found in both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and are known to inhabit coastal waters and estuaries. Some species prefer warmer waters, while others are found in colder climates. Saw sharks are carnivorous and feed on a variety of fish. They're also known to eat crustaceans and mollusks. This shark is not considered to be dangerous to humans, but has the potential to deliver a nasty bite if provoked. Basking shark. The basking shark is the second largest shark in the world and can reach lengths of up to 11 meters. Despite its enormous size, the basking shark is a filter feeder and doesn't pose a threat to humans. It feeds on plankton and small fish and is not known to be aggressive. The basking shark is the world's biggest living shark, even bigger than the great white. Despite its size, it's not considered to be dangerous to humans. Basking sharks are found in all of the world's oceans and are a truly majestic sight to see. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks are a unique group of sharks with a very distinct appearance. They have a flattened head which resembles a hammer and are named accordingly. There are 9 different species of hammerhead shark, and they vary in size. The largest species can grow up to 6 meters in length. Hammerhead sharks are found in both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and are known to inhabit coastal waters and coral reefs. They're highly visual predators and feed on a variety of fish. They also eat crustaceans and mollusks. Hammerhead sharks are not considered to be dangerous to humans, but do have the potential to deliver a nasty bite if provoked. Blue shark. The blue shark is a large species of shark and can reach lengths of up to 4 meters. It is found in all of the world's oceans and is known to inhabit both coastal and deep waters. The blue shark is a fast-swimming creature and is often seen in large schools. It's a predatory species and feeds on a variety of fish. The blue shark is not considered to be dangerous to humans, but has been known to bite if provoked. Six-gill stingray. While not technically a shark, the six-gill stingray is closely related and is often grouped in with them. It has 6 gills, which is a distinctive feature and sets it apart from other stingrays. The six-gill stingray is a bottom-dwelling creature and is often seen gliding along the seabed. It's a predatory species and feeds on a variety of fish and crustaceans. The six-gill stingray is not considered to be dangerous to humans, but does have a venomous sting which can cause pain and swelling. Angel shark. Angel sharks are bottom-dwelling creatures and are often seen camouflaged on the seabed. They have a distinctive wing-like shape and are often mistaken for stingrays. Angel sharks are primarily nocturnal and are known to be very elusive. They're predatory species and feed on a variety of fish and invertebrates. Angel sharks are not considered to be dangerous to humans, but do have a venomous sting which can cause pain and swelling. There are hundreds of different types of shark in our oceans, and it is believed that many more species are yet to be discovered. Some sharks are very well known, such as the great white, while others are very obscure and rarely seen. We hope you've enjoyed learning about some of the lesser-known shark species in today's video. If you did, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.